Well, we're moving very much on you.
Cars were like spaceships in the day. They could hit nearly 200 miles an hour in a straight line. Think about that for a second. 5.7 meters straight edge. My number.
Most supervised very heavily by the government. Really good, really impressive for somebody here for the first time. But then Grand Prix racing in the
5.7 litres, great engine, not we can have a little trivia on the screen. The great monsters in this Land speed record had kind of been more important, but then
che ha scritto
Tira.
scritto boh.
Ah, mi ricordo io.
Sulla parte. Lo conoscere all'ultimo.
All'una poi l'altra parte. Non è stasera.
No, dico all'ultimo, lo conoscere all'ultimo dopo.
Penso, se non arrivava con le reti.
È quello.
Mercedes celebrating 130 years in road racing this year. And now I saw and I was absolutely
well-known development skills and a huge racecraft is becoming the ultimate driver. They were allowed to put bodywork on it to streamline the model, to obviously make it more aerodynamic. It didn't work though, because the drivers struggled to place the front wheels, so that Silverstone that year, even the great one-manual Banjo was clipping the great big oil drums inside of the circuit with plastic off.
So it's lovely to see, isn't it? Very, very stylish transporter. And they're seeing a whole bunch of this. We've got the Streamliner 196 on the back of that. So that was a very, very important part of the Mercedes.
Just go around to the shop. It's the very steep
He did actually race a Streamliner at Silverstone, but found that a bit hard work. And they went more to the open wheel style.
Yeah, you can see up behind some more modern day cars bringing up the rear of the field. You can just see the 1990s.